So now part 3 is this varieties,
The unknown people.
the unknown babies. I don't know what they are called, but there are 49 of these guys. Here we go. 49 varieties of Echeveria. Look at, guys, so many of them, and they don't have a name in this one, so we're just gonna have to guess. Or I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you what they look like, each of them, but I can't really pull them all out because it is inside a plug, so the tray is like that.
Well, you could get like a little stick and poke it in
Yeah,
there.
I could poke it in there, but I'm not prepared to plant on this, guys, yet. But this one, I have to show you this pretty one, and it has a flower. So if you guys know what this is called, I cannot pull it. It's very hard and stuck there, and it's a lot of force to take it out. So I have one of these here, and also I have another one right here. So two of that look the same, and I also have this guy here, that one here. This look like a pearl vine, and look at them, chubby leaves. Look at,
Chub chub.
so cute. And this one has flowers on them. Looks like I can pull that one out. This one, yay, I can pull this out. See, guys, 2 flowers on them. Cute. Ah, 3. There's 3 on this one. So this is easy. If you want to do an arrangement, easy to use this type. And there's another one here, very tiny. Look at that, pretty. 2 in there. There's 2 heads. I hope it's healthy. There's another one. Oh, 3 of that. The one that I showed you earlier. 3 of this. This one can be pulled. Look at. Ooh, so pretty. Aiden, do we have one that looked like this in the other video that we did?
I don't know.
No, right? Yeah, I don't have that one. So I don't have that. And I have this one here. That's pretty too. Look at that. Now we're gonna move on the next one. This one. I don't know what that one is. And this is so pretty. The next one here. This one looked like a pork and beans, right? Look like pork and beans. Ah, I can pull it. I can pull it. Ooh, I can pull this guy. Look at Aiden. You guys, look. So pretty. I wish I had a name. That's beautiful. I could probably take them out like that. I'm gonna, whatever that I can take out, I'll take out so you can see, guys. That one I can take out. This baby. Oh, careful, careful. Ah. Ooh, Aiden, look. Guys, this is so beautiful and chubby. So, that one kind of similar to this one, but they're not the same. This has pink tip. Next is another one. It looked like another pearl vine. That one. And move on to the 3rd row. I have this. This looks familiar. I have that one. This one is familiar too. And I have this guy here. Ooh, I have a big one on this in my yard. This is cute. Beautiful. Beautiful Echeveria. Look at that. Ooh, I can't wait. This is another one that I have. Let me see this guy. Remember it looked like a topsy-turvy, but or not. I have it somewhere here. The one that looked like a topsy-turvy. And they are called the cultivar. Yeah, let me see what I have here in my other tray. This one. Does that look the same? The cultivar. They look alike. Alright. I'm gonna line them up with the one that's kind of familiar. And the same with the one that I have that has a tag on. So I'm gonna See this one here? That's pretty and very tiny. I can't pull it out, too tough. I don't want to break it. And this one's another one. Very close, very similar. This one, oh dear. I can't get it out. Ah, I got it out. Look at this one. Beautiful. I just want to plant this right away, you guys, but I don't have the time to do it all day today. I have homeschool going on and my babies are waiting for me. They already got done with their assignments and waiting for me. So I'm gonna speed this up. So this one is another one here. That one looked like the others that I already have. Now in the fourth row is this guy, same as this is the same as this one here. So I have two. They actually give you 3 of each that look the same. 3. Huh, I wonder if I have, yeah. And I have the pearl fawn right here, and another one right here, and another one right here. So they gave me, I think, 3 that look familiar. 3 of it. So this one too, right here, and this one here. Alright, so in the fourth row is this guy, and I have this with a baby. Another one that look like this one here, and got this one. So look at that close up on this, guys. This one has a baby right there, so that's good. Another one with lots of this cardboard or paper, so I can't get that out. Aiden, can you grab me the tweezer, babe? And this one is cute, the same as the others over here. So right there. So the fifth one here, fifth row, and I got this one, and this one is so pretty, the same as the one I pulled out earlier. So I'm gonna take the tweezer. Aiden, this is not the real pointy one, but oh, I got it out. Thank you. So that one, I cleared that out. That one is pretty. So here is the one I was trying to show you. This, I got this, the third, and that one here. So let's go on this other row here. They have the same thing, just like the topsy-turvy or the cultivar. I have that now, and I have 3 of those too right here. So I have this, focus on this guy here too, and another one right here. Let me get that out. Ah, get it out. There we go. That one, and here's the next one, and that pretty one right there. In the last row, I have this, and this pretty one I was telling you about, and this guy, this, the cultivar, and the last one is this one. So here are what it looked like. All of them, I pulled them all out. Look at what I just did. Pull them all out. Put it back. There's also a leaf down there. I'm gonna take that out later. Alright, so here are my 49 Echeveria plug tray. So that's it for now, guys, and I will see you next time. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.